Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on a Google Play Store for Oppo A17. And to do this, first let's launch our Google Play Store. Here we want to find the Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no results that we're looking for. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture. Here navigate to your settings and family. Select parental controls and disable parental controls entirely, or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code and change the PG to at least 16. Make sure to save your settings afterwards and go back. Right here, if we try to find this game again, it should be on the top right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.